was cursed. You feel save me, save me.
And welcome back, everyone. Today is Thursday night, August 9th, 2018. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm just going to do a quick update tonight. One thing in particular about Litecoin, which I think is really cool, not having to do with the price at all. As I'm sure many of you know, the price has not been looking too hot. What is currently at 63 US dollars, it touched on 60, it bounced off 60 earlier. So yeah, it's not going to be related to the price at all. Good news though. I want to look at something with Bitcoin as well, and then just one quick article. This is going to be a very short episode. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and maybe smashing the like button if you'd like. But yeah, real quickly, the market cap's up about 10 or 11 billion dollars more than it was yesterday, around 231 billion US dollars. Bitcoin dominance still around 49%. We see some coins like XLM and basic attention token, those coins that potentially could be listed, are up over about 10% today, which is pretty cool. On Bitcoin here, one thing I did want to point out, so this first downtrend, you can see clearly resistance for Bitcoin. Originally on January 21st, then we have March 5th, then we have May 6th, and then we have pretty much like an entire week just at the end of July very recently, and that's, you know, after we were not able to break that. And that also kind of coincides with the 200-day moving average a little bit, but closer to this resistance line here. As well, there's this line here. You can see right here, it was resistance, then again, kind of coinciding with this other line right here back at the beginning of May. But then again here, it potentially could be acting as support. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about that, if anyone has an opinion on that. And I do want to get into Litecoin, but as well, we had Jesus Coin up over 300% today, with a market cap of just over $1 million. So very nice. I didn't know this was a coin. But yeah, this is what's cool. Charlie Lee tweeted this out earlier, and Litecoin transactions are now available via encrypted messenger app Telegram. And this is cool because a lot of people around the world have cell phones. And as this article even points out, let's see here, 33% of people that have cell phones have a smartphone with internet connection. So that means that there's a large percentage of people that don't have internet connections but do have cell phones. The startup states out of the 64% of the global population that owns a mobile phone, 33% of those are smartphones. So that leaves a pretty large percent of people that don't have smartphones. So this is cool because it allows people that do not have access to the internet to use text and to interact with the Litecoin blockchain and get involved with cryptocurrency. And more likely than not, those people that don't have access to the internet from their cell phones probably have less of a chance of having access to banking around the world, or financial institutions, centralized institutions. So this could come in handy very much so for them, and cryptocurrency could come in handy for them. So I thought that was pretty cool. Very similar to what the Gates Foundation and Ripple partnered back in about November of 2017 in order to try and get countries with, you know, lower incomes and more poor populations involved and get them access to banking via cryptocurrency, or at least, you know, exposed to the blockchain. And this is an article I'm not going to cover today. I might cover it tomorrow, just on Microsoft rolling out proof of authority Ethereum consensus on Azure. I think it's cool that Microsoft is getting involved with cryptocurrency. In particular, a few days ago with the NYSE, Starbucks, Microsoft collaboration type thing, there as well, executives or people that used to work for Microsoft getting involved with cryptocurrency, and particularly working for Coinbase. I covered that yesterday. But yeah, it's cool to see people getting more involved. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. As for price, today, not much going on, but there is more good news, and that's just why I wanted to cover the Litecoin thing. I think that's pretty cool because it does give access to people who otherwise would not have access to the blockchain, and it's Litecoin. So yeah.